Hey guys, this is Robert at Fender Garage. We're here with our 4x4 chassis, Gen 3 Coyote Illuminator motor, 16-inch rotors. These are beasts. Currie front and rear end housings. We're using 35 spline chromoly axles. Pretty close to about a 30-gallon fuel tank there. It's about 800 horsepower to the crank. All right, so right here we have our Gen 3 Coyote Illuminator motor. We also have a Whipple on top, which is really sick. So if you're thinking about, well, how much horsepower are we looking at here? It's about 800 horsepower to the crank. So I don't know about you, but that sounds like a whole lot of fun. 4x4 setup. We also have 12-inch shocks right here, and we use locked off-road. We also have our steering redhead box right there, aluminum headers. Again, they're gonna be custom. We do them in shop, and we use Magnaflow as our exhaust. So again, it's gonna sound really, really clean. As we come down here, this is gonna be a 10R80. So our 10R80, 10 speed. It also is a 4x4 setup. So we have an Atlas, 2 sticks on there. So if you're looking to go off-roading, this is set up just for that. If you're thinking that, you know what, I probably just want to do on the highway and just make it look mean, this is perfect for highway and having a nice smooth ride. Also, as we go into our chassis setup, this is all TIG welded. So what that means is hand welded. We do not skimp again on any of our welds. And so we are making sure that Porterbuilt fabrication is the one who does our chassis, and they're the ones who will TIG weld it. They're very meticulous on how they do things, and we love it because we know it's quality. Up at the front, we have a 4-link here in the front. We also have our Currie front and rear end housings. With this setup, we're using 35 spline chromoly axles. So what that tells you is that it's very, very strong, and it's going to take force, and you want to off-road and just kind of the wear and tear on it. So you know that you're going to be in good hands. As we move down this way, in the back, so we kind of will talk about the suspension. So the back, we have a triangulated 4-link. So it's going to give you the best ride quality. It's also going to give you the best suspension. You know, it's going to be really, really comfortable. We actually took out Pepper, one of our 4x4 setups a few weeks back, and man, that was smooth. Highway miles was really, really smooth, really clean. Steering was great. Coming down this way, these right here, we have our brakes. We're using Wilwood rotors, but we're also using Little Shop's calipers. So these are actually 16-inch rotors. These are beasts. These right here are going to be on 37-inch tires. I think they're 20-inch rims. Really, really cool setup, really mean. So then coming down this way, we also have our Boyd fuel tank. So you're looking pretty close to about a 30-gallon fuel tank there. We get that installed for you. Our cab mounts right here. So when you're thinking, how's that going to set up if I'm going to get a chassis and I want to drop my body on it? Is it going to line up? Is it something I have to worry about? No, you don't have to worry about that at all. It's just going to drop right in. But I mean, this is really kind of the gist of the setup here. I think just looking at this, you're kind of in awe with the welds, how everything is lined up. We have our fuel lines, brake lines run. We have AN lines coming through here for fuel. So everything's tucked in a way. Everything looks clean. Nothing's dangling. Nothing's kind of just loose. And it's all about the look of it, the quality of it, and of course the feel of it. So, but yeah, this is the setup here. We are super excited with this. We know our customers are excited about jumping into one of these 4x4 setups. So yeah, I mean, I'm a little biased, obviously, but what I can tell you is that everything here is going to be just the nicest quality you can get. The money that you spend on a chassis, it's going to go the longest way with this, and you won't have to switch anything. And I actually compare this to really like a Raptor R setup. So other chassis out there, not quite that same level. So if you're thinking, you know what, I want something that's going to last for the next 50 years, not have to worry about it, put the kids in there, grandkids, whatever that looks like, you won't be disappointed with this setup one bit. That being said, thanks for checking us out. Keep checking out for more videos. But yeah, have a good one.